almost had it, man.
Damn.
Dang it. First try, dude. Look at you. Hey, you didn't even take your foot off. Dude, that was legit.
That's pretty cool.
That's a good sized gap, man, for your first try. No foot down. The first 5 or 6 times I put my foot down.
That feels good.
Heck yeah, you did it perfect, man. Dang. Yeah. Like a boss. Like a boss.
It makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah, dude. Hey.
Whoa, saved it.
Saved it, bro. Oh, cacti.
Nice try.
Cacti.
Very good.
Oh. Piece of cake. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, John. Yeah, man. That's quite the jump. You all right?
I should have gone a little bit that way.
Dang it. Good job, man. Good job. You went for it. You went for it. Whoa! Yeah! Dude, perfect. Ghost ride. Nice. Yeah, man. You got it. Oh, yeah. Right on. Dude, hey, good end to a day, guys. We had a fun time. Seriously, Dan, thanks again, really man. Good. Hanging out with the Rocky Rippers, man. Good times. Yeah, thanks, dude. Shane, always good seeing you, man. This was fun out here, bro. That was freaking awesome. Dude, you guys saved me by sweeping that off. Look at that.